Are you looking for a fantastic pair of premium noise canceling earbuds that won't break the bank? Well, these might be something worth looking at. It's the new TOZO NC20s. NC standing for noise cancellation. This is a sponsor video, sponsored by TOZO. Worked with them in the past, and I think they've got good products. So I'm like, hey, why not? These are pretty decent too, and under $100. So that's a nice thing, but they've got active noise cancellation. You've got hybrid noise cancellation, which is great. You've got the LED case on the front that shows you battery level, percentage, things like that for each earbud. Low latency mode, Hi-RES certification, and they've got wearing detection. So when you take them out of your ears, they stop playing. You put them in, they start playing again. So there's a lot of nice stuff here, and LDAC. So what else could you ask for, right? Well, let's dive in, unbox them, talk about them, and see what we got here. Here we have the TOZO NC20s, and again, if you're interested, there's a link in the description. You can pick some up. Let's just take a look at the box real quick. So like I said, hybrid active noise cancellation. You've got the LED display case, which I love this. This is one of these features that I really like in earbuds because you don't have to worry about checking an app. You don't have to worry about opening your phone. You can see exactly how much battery percentage and what level you got for both earbuds. So that's good. High-res audio, wireless. You got LDAC, which is really good for high-quality audio. Wearing detection, which is another one of my favorite features because you take them out of your ears, they stop playing. You put them back in, they'll start playing again. And they have low latency mode for gaming, which is important too because a lot of people, they like to play games on their phones. So this right here, it takes away that latency, so that's nice. See what we got in the box. So everything you need in here, starting with the user manual. So you got a quick guide and a user manual. Just taking a brief look at the quick guide here real quick, if I can get it open. So tells you a little bit about it, about the smart touch controls, Bluetooth pairing, all that good stuff you need to know. And they've got smart touch controls for previous song, answer, reject, normal mode, active noise mode, or transparency mode, which is great, or adaptive mode. Hang up, voice assistant, play pause, next song. So you can do all that great stuff straight from just touching your earbuds. No charging brick, but that's pretty standard. We have a nice little USB-C charging cable there. We have all the extra ear tips here. So we got 5 sets of ear tips, which is great. And then you've got the ones already on the earbuds. So you're going to be covered there. Take that out. Already at 97%. Here's the earbuds themselves. And they look nice. They're kind of like the little stick design where it goes down the ear a little bit, but not too much. You'll have to go ahead and take off the sticker right here so that way they can charge appropriately. It does have the little charging part of it goes right here, if I can get the sticker off my finger. And so now you can charge them. 94% overall charge on the case, and then it looks like it's about 100% on both earbuds, so that's nice. USB-C charging on the bottom, and then here we've got the Bluetooth button. So this will be to pair it. You can press that and hold it, and it'll put it into pairing mode. So you can pair your earbuds with your phone. It'll work with iOS, which means iPhones, and it'll work with Android. And yeah, these are nice premium feeling earbuds. I like the case, and this is something that probably be able to enjoy pretty well. Looks like it's got a nice build quality to it. They've got 6 microphones in total, so you got 3 microphones on each earbud. That's fantastic. And then you got your wearing detection, dual device seamless switching. So with Bluetooth 5.4, you can connect it to 2 different devices. Connect it to your phone, connect it to your laptop at the same time. IPX8 water resistance. So that means you can drop these into a body of water up to 1.5 feet of water for 30 minutes and they'll still be okay. That's really good. 80 hours of playback total with the case. 30 hours of charging with the case on a single charge. And the wireless charging case, of course, has the LED power display, and you get 5 hours of listening time out of a 10-minute quick charge using USB-C. So that's really nice as well. And with the app, which I'm going to show you in a minute, you get up to 32 different equalizer settings inside the app. So yeah, let's talk about the earbuds a little bit more. Let's take a look at the app real quick as well, and you can see once you get in here, there's a couple different tabs at the bottom. But I'm going to show you the AI tab real quick because you have different modes in here. You have meeting recording. You can actually use your headphones. It will identify speakers using AI and extract meeting minutes. That's pretty cool. And then you've got real-time translation. So translate each other's speech when interacting face-to-face. Simultaneous interpretation. Translation of speech content in one-sided speaking occasions like training or lectures. AI chat. You can send a message to AI and receive intelligent responses. And then you've got the guide as well. So you've got this stuff going on. And then from the home part, you can see the earbuds here. You've got ear tune, active noise cancellation, EQ, and sound mode, which is nice. You've got location settings as well, and then you can go into settings here. Once you're in the settings, you can turn on low latency mode. You have wear detection, which is on by default, dual device connection, LDAC. You can go into your touch controls and you can actually assign what you want for click, double click, triple click, or long press. So you can configure that for the left or the right earbud, which is really nice. And then you've got your OTA updates as well, volume balance, find my earbuds, which is nice, and then wearing drainage for your earbuds. If you get them wet, you get them in the water, things like that. So lots of great things in the app here that, of course, you can test out. And then you can use all that stuff too. And I'm covering my hand there because it's showing my address. So the location actually shows your address up in the top, which is pretty neat. And then you have all these different EQs, which are neat. You can use other people's recommended equalizers for their own settings. And then you can set up your own, and then you have ones that you can create so that it'll save all that stuff there. But anyway, you've got access to all these great stuff for equalizers, other people's community stuff, AI, location settings. There's tons and tons of features in here, and I think it's really impressive. Another nice thing I really like about the TOZO NC20s is they're very comfortable, and we'll do the wear test here so you can see they fit nicely. They don't stick too far outside the ear. They give you a little chime when you put them in for the first time, let you know that they're on and that they're connected. So yeah, nice there, and very, very comfortable. Lots of different soft tips you can choose from. Make sure you get a good fit. That's going to be extra important whenever it comes to your noise cancellation because it blocks the outside noise and it keeps stuff from escaping. So if you don't have them properly sized, you're not going to get the best bass experience, and you're also not going to get the best noise cancellation experience. They also have transparency, or otherwise known as hear-through mode, which is neat because it allows you to hear what's going on around you, which is important if you're out running, biking, things out in public, and you want to listen, but you want to be able to hear sirens and horns or somebody yelling, something like that. So transparency mode, good. Active noise cancellation, especially with that hybrid active noise cancellation, is very, very good. And the sound experience is solid. One, I like all the customization you can do with the equalizers, but at the same time, there's a lot of ones you can choose from, and even other people. And one of the biggest hurdles when it comes to an equalizer is you don't know what you don't know. So maybe it's a matter of, okay, let me try this one out, let me try that one out, let me see what somebody else is using, and maybe that'll help kind of influence how you get the best listening experience for you, because that equalizer is great, and then you can change all that stuff, custom ones. Definitely dive in and take a look at that. But the nice thing is there's 32 different ones to choose from already, plus the community. And I really like the Find My Earbuds thing. It's great. It shows on the map, shows you where they were last connected at. We're always losing earbuds, so it's always nice to know, hey, at least they're at the house. I can go and try and find them, right? Or, oh, I left at the airport. You're probably not going to find it then. But overall, they've got a lot of things going on. Again, that LDAC, the Hi-RES certification, that's great. I mean, you can connect it to multiple devices at once. You've got great battery life. You've got plenty of built-in battery to recharge it several times, noise cancellation, transparency, the whole 9 yards. They even have immersive spatial audio, which is kind of like the 3D sound, the latest thing over the last couple of years, where it really, based off of your head positioning and the music source and all that stuff, kind of gives you that spatial awareness and sound experience, which is neat, and more phones have been offering that over the last couple of years. So yeah, pretty much everything you could ask for in a set of earbuds, and there are lots of sales and deals and stuff. So keep an eye out for that, but I've got a link in the description that'll take you directly where you can buy a pair if you're interested in them. And that's pretty much all I got. I mean, they're solid earbuds, great opportunity to pick some up if you're interested. And again, I really like this case. I love the LED readout on the front. I love it tells you the overall percentage of the case, plus also your earbuds, so you always know, hey, where am I at in the battery department, because you don't want to run out. But with these, they last a good while. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.